Hi all, it's PJ and welcome to the intro for our upcoming event, Montevilla Sewing Center's Facebook Live. It's going to be August 3rd and 4th. It will be, in fact, a live sewing event. I'm going to demo live. Sue's going to help me field questions, but I'll be live talking you through the whole project. But this is what the project is. I'm calling it my magic bag. It's quite large. I was able to fit 4 bath towels in here and there was still plenty of room at the sides. It's completely reversible. It's completely finished. There's a really nice area for embroidery if you happen to have an embroidery machine. So the first thing that I'm going to explain is what I call a convertible handle. So the way this handle is set up, you can have it this way for kind of a short handle. The drop here is plenty big enough though that you can do the 2 handle as a shoulder as well. Because these slide all the way through, you can pull it this way and it's long enough for a crossbody. So very useful that you can do that multiple ways. Again, the bag is completely reversible. So here you've got 2 bags in one, but it gets even better. So here's the reverse side of this. And then there's a zippered pocket. And when you construct this, you can set it up so the pocket is on the inside or the outside. It's really up to you. But a nice large zipper pocket here. And then behind the zipper pocket is what I call a slip pocket. It doesn't close, but it's perfect for like a newspaper or something like that. I think one of the best parts of this project is it will collapse and fold into the zipper pocket. Just have to do a little bit of folding here so that it will fit in. And I'll walk you through how to set up all of that folding. It's really pretty easy. If you kind of pre-fold it, it will lay much flatter. You can honestly just stuff everything in there and turn it and it's perfectly fine. So there's the big bag packed into what I would consider a nice crossbody, and there's still plenty of room in here to hold things. And you could easily attach crossbody straps here. You could use it as a large wristlet or even a waist pack. So that's the project. PJ's Magic Bag.